Looking for a dependable USB 2.0 cable that keeps your devices powered and connected without fuss? This 6-foot USB cable with a male to micro B connectors offers high-speed data transfer up to 480 megabits per second, making it perfect for everything from charging your Android phone to linking up with PC peripherals like printers and external hard drives. What sets this cable apart is its gold-plated connectors, designed to resist corrosion and maintain signal clarity over time. Plus, the smaller connector head fits easily into tight spaces, so you don't have to struggle with bulky plugs or awkward angles when connecting your devices. Charging gets a boost here, too. With an improved charging capacity of up to 2,100 milliamperes, this cable powers your devices faster and more efficiently. Its thin, flexible design works seamlessly with nearly all phone cases, so you can charge without removing your case or dealing with cable frustration. If you're managing multiple devices or a busy household, having reliable cables on hand makes a big difference. This 6-foot USB 2.0 cable is built to last, with durable construction that holds up under daily use. It's a solid choice whether you need a backup cable or a trusted go-to for your tech setup. One satisfied customer praised the cable's quality and durability, noting how convenient it is to have extras scattered around the house. The modern goldish tone on the connectors adds a subtle touch of style, so these cables don't just perform well, they look good too. Worth a look if you want a hassle-free, reliable cable that covers charging and data needs without compromise. If that's you, this USB 2.0 cable is ready to simplify your tech life with consistent performance and a flexible design that fits your everyday routine. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging and data connections. With this cable, you get dependable speed, enhanced charging, and a design that works with your devices and cases, no extra effort required.